Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about Avalanche. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right in here and I said for now at least we cannot be optimistic in AVAX because so far these can be the subwaves for UNOMED and ABC zigzag. And I said specifically in the previous video, if I see a correction structure and then another move up, at that point fair enough, I can be bullish. And as you can see, pretty much exactly that happened, and I am now a bit optimistic in Avalanche. Why is it? Because now I can clearly identify from the lowest low a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure up, which is a very important sign suggesting the final low in Avalanche potentially can begin. Again, you want to remember, there is no certainty in any market. We are only talking about the possibilities in here, and having something like this starting from the lowest low does actually add a bit more validity to our bullish scenario, indicating the low in AVAX is already in. Is this enough? Not really. You see, after an impulse, if we are actually bullish and optimistic, we need to have a slow and choppy move on the downside. And so far, I can absolutely tell you that to about the lowest low down here, we are having a beautiful ABC in form of a zigzag structure. And from the current point, I don't really mind if AVAX goes up and creates like an impulsive structure, something like this. If this happens, it will be a great sign suggesting we are indeed looking optimistic. What if from the current point we get some more moves on the downside? At that point, I need you to pay full attention to the shape of our move down. If between our pullbacks in this move down, we have just constantly overlapping of the waves, that could be an optimistic sign suggesting this whole move is a correction and structure, and instead maybe we're gonna have like on a higher degree a WXY in form of a double zigzag, indicating this could be a bit of a deeper move on the downside. But again, as long as in Avalanche we're not taking this low down here about, let's say, $14.5, I think the structures, the bullish ones, are going to remain intact. So overall, in the short term in AVAX, I am seeing some optimistic signs, but let's just wait a bit more and see some strong price action showing up in here. And at that point, we can talk bullish with a lot more confidence. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in AVAX's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.